Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to log out WhatsApp account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're trying to log out a linked device, okay, for example, I have here my Windows PC. Let me just go ahead and share it to you right here. So all you got to do is just click on settings right here and then scroll all the way down. You'll find the logout button. So just tap on it and tap on logout. Now, what if you don't have access to your computer? Maybe you've gone somewhere, okay? So what do we do? So on your main device, just go ahead and tap on the three dots right here or settings at the bottom if you have iPhone. Now, just go ahead and find the linked devices, all right? Now you'll be able to see all the linked devices right here. All you got to do is just tap on it, tap on logout, logout, all right? So now, if you want to log out from your main phone, all right, so what do we do? It's pretty easy. All you got to do is just clear the app's data. How do we do that? Got to force close the app. For Android first, okay? Tap and hold on the app icon. Tap on info. Got to scroll down a bit and find storage. Now tap on clear cache first. Cache right here will be zeroed, followed by clear data. Data right here will be zeroed as well. And then once that's done, close it, open up WhatsApp, and you're now ready to log in with the other phone number. And if you don't want to log in anymore, just basically delete the app. Now for iOS, it's pretty easy. Go to settings and then general. After that, find iPhone storage and just find WhatsApp, tap on it, and then just to offload the app. Okay. Once offloaded, it's up to you if you want to reinstall it. If so, reinstall it. If not, delete the app entirely. That's how easy it is to log out a WhatsApp account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.